Hi, welcome to Ride Alongside. Today we're in Sedona, Arizona on the Mescal Trail, and we're doing a first look at the Chumba Sendero. Let's take a look. All right, so the Mescal Trail is pretty fun. It kind of follows this lighter line all the way around. You can see a rider down there. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick first look at the Chumba Sendero. So it is a made in the USA steel hardtail, 67.5 degree head tube angle. I believe it's 73.5 degree seat tube angle. I'll put a link to the website where you can check all the geo and everything. But just wanted to give you a quick bike check and show you what is on this one. So it's got the Helm 130 Works fork on it, and that is a dual chambered air fork. And let's see, the front tire is a Minion DHF 29 by 2.6 on Velocity Blunt 35 on Hope hubs, and same thing for the rear. And we've got it set up single speed with the White Industries cranks and 32 tooth chainring, a KMC K1 SL chain, which I like very much. We've got an endless cog made in the US, 21 tooth, so we're running 32 by 21, and we got the Hope X2 brakes. So we'll follow those brake levers up here, and you can take a look at the brake levers. And then we got ESI silicone plush grips. I'm liking those quite a bit. A Thompson 40 mil stem with 35 mil clamp, race face Affect handlebar. We've got a Paul Components made in the US dropper lever that leads back to the one-up components. I think this is a version 1 dropper post with a WTB Volt saddle. And on the rear wheel, we've got the Aggressor 29 by 2.5 wide tread. And let's see, I've got my Shimano XT trail pedals. I think those are the PDM 8020 pedals. We have some King titanium water ball cages there, and there is ability to fit a third one right there. And let's see what else. We got my timber bell on there to let all the trail users know I'm coming. And then ball bearings, we've got White Industries, so we've got their headset up here, and then we also have the bottom bracket down there. I don't think I've forgotten anything. If I have, let me know in the comments what I missed and what you're interested in. And I'm going to keep riding. So I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thanks so much for watching. We'll have a full review on the Chumba Sendero coming up real soon. You can check out the Chumba Stella tie that we reviewed last year on ridealongside.com. But thanks so much for watching. I'm Nick from Ride Alongside, and we'll have more videos for you real soon.